Hello guys, in last video we were discussing about types of insurance. Let's discuss. We were discuss three types of insurance. Now let's see which are the others. Life insurance pays a benefit to your beneficiaries in the event of your death. As simply this is explained in the point, in cause of death your beneficiaries will get the amount in the cause of your insurance. Disability insurance provides a source of income if you are unable to work due to an injury or illness. Long term care insurance covers the cost of care for people who need assistance with activities of daily living such as bathing and dressing due to chronic illness or disability. Business insurance covers the risks associated with running a business such as property damage and liability for accidents or injuries. Travel insurance covers unexpected events like trip cancellation, medical emergencies, and lost or stolen luggage while traveling. There are just some examples of the many types of insurance available. Each type of insurance is designed to protect against specific risks, and each has their own set of coverage options and exclusions. If you have any doubt about these types or what we discussed, please comment, please ask. It will be my prayer to reply or solve these queries. Thank you. Meet you in next video.